to another welcome. Go away. Welcome to the Thumbnail Guy YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. Click the purple Create a Design button, then search YouTube thumbnail. Next, we're going to go over to the Projects folder, then the Folders tab, and scroll down to the LSU folder. We're going to add these images to our page. Now we're going to add a new page, and we're going to change that color to black. I'm going to take this image, add it to this page. I'm going to resize this image. To about right there. And next, I'm going to go to Projects, then scroll down to Starred. I'm going to select this gradient. I'm going to rotate it -90 degrees. Then I'm going to, yeah, right about there. Now I'm going to go to, now I'm going to select this gradient right here. I'm going to rotate that 90 negative, rotate it -90 degrees, and resize it. To about there. It's looking great. And now I'm going to go back to Projects and select this gradient. Rotate it 90 degrees. Then resize it. Move it to about right here. Okay, that's looking a little better. Now I'm going to take this image, add it to the page. I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to rotate, well, I'm going to flip it horizontally. Then I'm going to resize it. To about right there. I'm going to go back to Projects and select this grain. Resize it till it fits the whole page. Oh, almost forgot a step. Before I do that, select this image. Then I'll add a filter, which will be the noir filter. Yes. Now I'll resize the grain. Okay. Now I'll take our last image add to the page. Then I'll remove the background. Then I'll resize the image. All right, that's the final result. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guide down in the comment section.